on your head.
Oh!
You got one too!
I got one too, boy! Yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Oh, yes. Left? Yeah, boy! That is right. We both have GoPros now. We are going to do a Pokemon Go video. Alright. Well, we will probably need to redo this. So hot, boy. Holy cunt, boy. Oh, dang, you getting fast. Yeah, so it's like 90 degrees right now with like 60% humidity. I'm literally wearing like half a shirt right now. Can you see my nipples? Hey, look at this. Yay. Hit up Pokemart at Axel. Might as well. I'm just trying to catch my stuff, boy. Holy cock, I got a lot of stuff. I got a stinking egg. You need to go home? Are you serious? Well, I guess I'll go take down the gym by myself. Bye, sir. Alright. We don't need Drew. We are going to take down the gym ourselves. With my Lapras. They're taking the gym right now. I'm gonna loop back around. I'm gonna wait. Are they battling it? No, they must be Team Yellow. Suck my cock, boy. I'll be back. How long you gotta take at that gym? Screw it. I'm just gonna get the 2 gyms by my house. I'll do the Pokestop up here. Why are they always at cemeteries? Literally, there's so many. Like every single cemetery, there's a stinging Pokestop. Oh, it's literally just a picture of the cemetery. Restarting it. We're going. Screw this. I'm hot. I'm hot. Open my visor a little bit. Oh, the wind feels so good. Wait, did I already pass it? Crap. I already passed it. It's back there. Well, maybe the church will have one. I'll just go to the church and back. Holy longhorns in a corner. It's an orgy. Oh, there's one at the church. I'm gonna hit it up right quick. I'm not gonna shut off my bike because who knows if it's gonna start up. Oh my god, my helmet is drenched. That is disgusting. I need to wash these pads really bad inside my helmet. Okay, well, this Pokemart is taken down. Okay, well, let's see how close I am to walking. 0.2, okay. 5 miles an hour? Alright, I can do that. I'm just getting my walking in. You're only helping me more. Nothing around here. I'm going right though. Screw it. I'm hot as a tip. I gotta keep moving. Alright, I'm going to the zoo. I'm looking for Pokemons. Not Pokemon, no. There's actually some pretty good Pokemon probably around there. Not gonna lie. Alright, I'm going this way. What's up, boy? What the cock you looking at, sonny? Let's see here. If I were a zoo, I would be down which road? I feel like there's like gyms. There's got to be some exotic Pokemons over by the stinking zoo. If there's not exotic Pokemon over by the zoo, I don't know where you're gonna find them, honestly. Like, why wouldn't they be there? Oh, we're gonna take a left here to the new zoo, and we're gonna find out what's over here. She was not well. Sorry, girl, if you watch this. Oh, baby, there's a red gym over here. They just got done. I know it was them. You can tell who the cock it is. And it's mine now. Oh my god. There's so many things in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. This gym is absolute anus. I really don't want to battle up there. Like, I'm gonna look like a retard. I'm going over here. I'm fighting a gym on my bike. What the heck is wrong with me? I think I'm actually retarded. Come on, go, go, go. Oh, I'm going. Wow, this thing, oh my god, this thing just destroyed it. Oh my god, you seeing this? I'll hold the lake right here. I don't know if you guys can even see this. McDruber? Huh? Oh dang, that thing is super effective. Let's see here. Okay, I'm almost charged up. I can almost do my special. Here we go, boys. Why did I use it? I shouldn't have used it. I'm stupid. There's something. Hey! I'm retarded. The last one. Not very effective. We'll see it affect this. These cocksuckers are gonna take it, aren't they? I know what they're doing. You ain't got crap on me, son. I leveled up. Level 15. Oh my god, look at all the stuff that I got. Oh my god. Dang, screw it. I'm turning it off. If I can't turn it back on, I'm gonna be ticked. Oh, I can't even drink this through the... Maybe I can. Oh my god. Got all over my mic. Tip. Not doing that again. That's a big cousin right there. That's a large cousin. I'm gonna put my drowsy in there. I'm gonna go to the fire station now. Actually, is there one down there? There's a lot of stuff down there. Screw it. I'm going down there. I'm gonna go down there. What's up? They know exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking down the gym, you cocksucker. That's right. Please start. Please start. Please. Please. Please, please start. No. Ah! Cunts. Why did I turn off my bike? I'm a retard. Looks like I'm pushing it down the hill again. After the W at the gym, I gotta push it down a hill. This is how you treat me? Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa. I need to put it in gear first. Go into gear, you cocksucker. There we go. Okay, okay. Whew. God dang it. I feel like I'm gonna get way too good at that. I can't even get anything anyways. Why am I going down here? Well, I guess I had to start my bike. Kids going on the playground these days, not playing Pokemon. What the heck? Alright, you hold that down right there, you drowsy. You best be holding that place down. I'm gonna be ticked if I get to that place and I gotta come all the way back here. JK, I'm not coming back here. Screw that. I need the most rewards I can get though. I need to get, I'm saving up for more bag storage probably. Then I can hold more items from like Pokemarts and stuff. Because I get full all the time. Like, I make laps, dude. What the? I don't joke around. I go around the block. There's like 10 Pokemarts on one block. I just do laps. I'm getting healthy AF from Pokemon Go. I feel like nobody that actually plays Pokemon Go would go over by the new zoo. Like, I don't know. It's all families. I just revealed new zoo. It's official. They have a gym. Oh no! They're gonna get taken over now. Pokemon Go Tour? What? I just saw a tweet that said Pokemon Go Tour. Boy, I want a Pokemon Go Tour. My Lapras, that's my best Pokemon. It is, I believe, 975 CP. I still have 20 candies left with it, and I have about 44,000 Stardust. So I could keep leveling it up, and I could get it past 1,000. I could do that. Leave a comment if you want me to level it up all the way. And then I'll show you guys me leveling it up, and it'll be, I don't know, I think roughly, because I mean now it takes 2 candies to level it up. I have plenty of Stardust, I know that. So I can level it up. Screw your gym, I'm taking it. It's good, it's got one of them stinging big puffy Jews in it. I'm going to the shade. I'm not turning off my bike though, that's for sure. Let's check out this gym actually. Let's see here, 500, 700, 1,000, holy cock. This is gonna be quite the battle actually. I wasn't expecting that, whatever. I'm gonna try to pour it in my mouth again. I'm getting on the bike. All right, we're gonna battle this. Ready? Take a look, boys. It's frozen, it's frozen. Oh, this thing don't do too much on this. I didn't even get to use my power up. I killed him before I got it. I'm gonna use it on this. Oh God, I'm already half health. Oh dang, okay. That thing does work on this thing. The thing that I'm fighting, it's probably gonna kill it. Oh my God, dude, this thing sucks cock that I'm fighting. What is it? I don't even know what that is. That's one ugly looking Pokemon, not gonna lie. The Snorlax, this thing's a beast, not gonna lie. It's gonna kill me. I know it. I can use it again? Oh, I thought I had to charge up to 2. Oh God, I'm lagging. Please let me kill it. Please let me kill it. Okay, okay, okay. This is a close battle, actually. This is a close battle. Oh my god, this is so close. This is so close. This is close. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, yes, boys. We took it down. We took it down. We win, we win. I still gotta do it again, though. Let's see here. Super potion. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Everybody that's going past knows exactly what I'm doing. No. God dang it. That's voice recorder. Might be. Now go to potions. Finish it out just with a little bit. What are we at? 913. Okay, it's a 913 Lapras. I'm so hot right now. I gotta take it down 2 more times. Dude, let's see if my other gym's still there. My other gym's still up. Okay. I gotta take down this gym, and then I'm gonna go over there, get those 2 other ones, and hopefully I'll be able to conquer it, collect my points, and then we'll just save up. Road to Bag. That's what we'll call it. The series is Road to Bag. JK, it'll probably be called like Pokemon Go Episode 1 or something. Oh my god, I really want to shut off my bike, but I'm not gonna be able to start it, especially over here. There's no hill. And it's bad over here. It's just busy. My bike is gonna overheat the crap. I can just feel it. It's so hot. But I can't shut it off because it won't start. Screw you, bike. Yeah, so my best one is Lapras. 913, I think, is what I just saw. Second best is, I think, my gold duck. Just wasting more time. This thing is so hot. I need to get moving soon. I might just go on the highway for a bit just to, like, cool off. Just wait, let me roll down my window. Oh, we're going, boys, we're going. This thing sucks cock anyways. It doesn't even matter, this thing isn't even a fight. Alright, here we go, here we go. Here we go. We're taking it down, okay, okay. Here we go. This thing's gonna take it down like all the way. Oh my. This thing does work, boys. It's already dead. Wow, this thing actually did a good number on me this time. Oh my god, this means I need to beat it like 2 more times. Boom. Come on, do it again, do it again. Yep. Boom, wow, okay. That didn't even do anything. Thanks, game. Thanks. Come on, come on, come on. Use Earthquake. Earthquake can suck me one, boy. If I don't beat it this time, this is actually sad. I'm just lagging so bad. I can't use my special. I need to start dodging. Yes, 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 yes. Come on! Go start it. Okay, I killed him. He killed my, whatever the heck it's called. I need to keep going, though. My Lapras is dead. Do I need to revive him? Yup, revive. Oh, dang, it brings him back to, like, half health. I didn't know that. Why don't I let that guy die more often, then I don't have to use as many potions, even though I have, like, unlimited potions right now. Heal the Starduck. Thank you. I need to take it down 1 more time. I'm sweating so bad. I'm actually, my helmet is pure wet right now. It's just wet. Okay, Snorlax. This time around, you getting cunted, boy. Okay, okay. So far, it's a very, very even fight. Wow, that did nothing. It didn't do anything! Oh, I can switch out Pokemon. I didn't know that. If you press that, it switches them out? That's actually cool. I didn't know that. Okay. Is this thing actually gonna do something? Oh, okay, okay. I hear ya. I hear ya. Oh my god, Earthquake does so much to me. Earthquake. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I should just let him kill him. I'm gonna let him kill me, actually. I'm actually gonna let me... So I can use my revives, because I have a tip ton of those. Kill me, boy! You're taking years! Whatever, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Kill me! Okay, never mind. He wouldn't kill me. Wait, wait, I need to revive my... Wait, no, I don't. I'm gonna put, Starduck in. Or no, not Starduck. What the cock am I talking about? Gold Duck. Items. Revive. Nope, I can't revive him. That's retarded. I'm so hot. I need to go. I need to go right now. Let's see. Do we still have our gym? Okay, I'm going. I'm getting going. I'm turning around. Screw this. Screw that. Screw this. Screw it. Feels so good to get moving. Alright, we're on to the next location. The next location will be the church. We are going to take down the priest. There's actually a Pokestop in here. Okay, good. Good stuff. Good stuff. We're going to go sit in the front. We're taking this thing down. I'm just saying. Ain't nothing personal, Yellow. I'm just taking it down. These guys suck cock. I say if you take them down with only 1 Pokemon, you should get, like, bonus. I hope a fellow Pokemoner comes over here and talks to me. I'm right at the front door of the church. Please, Jesus, let me take this gym over. Every single one has a Snorlax in it. I don't know how. This yellow team, there's actually a lot of yellows. I don't know why. This Snorlax sucks. I'm taking this guy down like ASAP. ASAP Rocky. Oh, and he's out already. Holy hype, boys. Oh, there's a cat. How cute. Okay, we're using the special on him. Super effective. Super effective. Use it. Use it, boy. Boom. Oh, half his health gone. Do it again. Boom. 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 Jolteon used Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That did. Oh my god. I'm almost dead now. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, cock, 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 cock. Not very effective. You can suck my cock, you cat-looking Jew. Oh, man. He's out. He's out. He's down and out. Oh, I got a star? Dang. Super effective. Oh, my God. It destroyed it already. Oh, no. Oh, no. I got another star? Holy cock. Oh, my God. It almost one-shotted it. It almost one-shotted it. Oh, my God. Wow. That was bad. That was bad. That was very bad. Items. Revives. I need to revive 2 of them. I want somebody to come over here and talk to me. Nobody ain't gonna know that I took down that gym at the new zoo. Nobody gonna take that cemetery. That's an inconvenient spot, but I went there, boys. Screw it, I'm turning off my bike. It's not gonna start. I know I'm gonna have to push start it, but it's so hot with it in between my legs. Yes. Yes. Take it. In the butt, you stupid. I don't know what the heck you are. Oh, there's an ambulance coming or something. Sorry, man. Rip you. JK, that's mean. I didn't mean it. Oh, I'm sweating like a gawk right now. Yeah. Just keep going. I'm battling, so what? What about it? Okay, we're gonna put something in here. Put the Coughlin in there. We got 3. We got 3 boys. I'm gonna get this Pidgey real quick, and then we're going to take on the next gym. We are just dealing some damages to the dim there. We're dealing damages to the dims. Please, Jesus, please, please, let it start. Woo! Yeah! Yes! Thank you. They know. They're a fellow blue team, I know it. Or they just wanted to take my gym. Either way. This feels so nice. I need to open my visor. Sorry if it's the crappy noise. Whoa. They fixed this already? They fixed this? We already have this gym. Can I put something in there? No, I can't. I'm just gonna battle. I'm gonna level it up. I've never had this many gyms at once. Okay, well, this isn't much to see. I'm just battling. She knows exactly what I'm doing. I don't know how loud I can talk without other people hearing me. I feel very weird. It takes very long to level up gyms, is what I came to see. It'll replace the one that's over there. 410, Josie? Oh, god dang. Okay, I can't wait to go home and go inside and just sit in the air condition. Oh my god, I'm going straight to my basement. I got a stinking freezer. I'm going in that thing. I'm going to collect my rewards right now. I got 3 gyms held down. 30. So I got 40 shop points now. And I got more Stardust. I have 49,000 Stardust. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Please start again, bike. Please start again. Please. Nope. Nope. Okay. We're going to turn it off. Back on. Cocksucker. Oh, cock. That sounded awful. Oh, yeah, right after I tried to start it. Just start up, you know? What's up, boy? I just helped out your gym. I feel like the firemen own the gym. What the heck are you doing, dude? You're gonna run into me, you cocksucker. Why are you going all the way out there? What are you doing? What the heck? Why would he go on the other side of the road? Are you a retard? I'm heading it home, calling it a day. This was quite the time taking down not Pokestops. Oh, it's a bird, get it! Taking down fellow gyms. You're welcome, Blue. I'm dominating over here, this area. If you know where these gyms are at, come help a brother out, Team Blue. And if you're not Team Blue, well then you don't know where these places are and you didn't watch this video. Get away from my gyms. This is my area to lock down and you can't have none of it. I need to bring my bike in to get it checked out. It won't start sometimes. Looks like there's oil leaking from the sides or whatever. It's like right around the engine by the hoses. I don't know why it's coming out of there. Oh, why do I keep having the hiccups? God damn. Holy tip. Ugh. What was that? Yeah, if you guys want to see my whole thing of Pokemon, I'll show you. If you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. It just came out. We've been wanting to do this for a long time, like since the game came out, but we just got phone mounts. I just got a GoPro, so we're set now. Go we?
Show